How to add link or change bank account, debit card, credit card in Cash App. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you add a link or replace your bank account, debit card and credit card in Cash App. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Cash App on your device. Alright, so after you open the Cash App on your device, you will have to click on your profile icon. It will just appear at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on your profile icon. And now from here, all the way you will have to go with the options link bank. So simply tap on the link bank option. Alright, so after you click on link bank, you'll able to see such interface. So from here you can add an credit card, debit card, or you can link the bank account from here. So this is the easiest and simplest method to update, replace or edit your bank credential on the Cash App. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.